Hi friends, myself SOHAM Ramnani.
And myself Roma Ramnani.
Welcome to Roma Arts.
Discover a talent in you. Hello friends and welcome to Roma Arts. I am Roma Ramnani and I am going to teach you today a landscape. I have just made a sketch out and I'll just show you the coloring. I have made some mountains and trees and it's a different shape, I can tell you. It's a little abstract shape. So now I'll show you the water effect. We'll start with the trees. I have 3 of the trees. So I have taken the outline, and now with the dotted method you can draw the trees with a tapering head. You can go on dabbing. I have taken viridian green. I'll take a bit of brown and black in between. As we go down, it may turn dark. Just give a little of background. We'll apply water. We'll take a marker and with the help of scale we draw these lines.